Kingdom fungi. Fungi includes molds and mildews, as we are seeing there, molds and mildews. Now let us talk about what are these molds and mildews. They form fluffy, felt like mats on the surface of organic substances such as decaying food, soil, and leather. And then the spores are produced in rounded capsules called sporangia, which are borne at the tip of aerial hyphae called sporangiophores. So when we talk about sporangiophores, we talk about the spores. So those are the parts of the members of the kingdom fungi. So the spores are like seeds. So we shall see them at the tail end of these lessons or in the next lesson about the spores. So those are seed-like structures which are produced along the life cycle of these fungi. So when they fall on the fertile crown or substratum, then they grow into the tiny pot like. Now, examples includes bread molds such as Rhizobium species and Mucus species. Other types of molds are the blue-green molds, that is Penicillium species, Aspergillus species, and white unicellular yeast, which is a Saccharomyces species. So, some types such as mushrooms, toadstools, shelf fungi, and bulb balls produce conspicuous fruiting bodies. So mycelium forms a network that ramifies the substratum. Yes, that is a kingdom fungi. Now let us also talk about the characteristics of the kingdom fungi. So number one, the fungi are eukaryotic. They contain cell organelles such as nuclei, mitochondria, and then the nucleus is bounded by nuclear membrane, or the nuclear material is bounded by nuclear membrane. That is the meaning of eukaryotic. So they are eukaryotic. Another characteristic is that cells are bound by a cell wall that contains chitin and not cellulose as in plants. Another one is that their thread-like IV forms a network called mycelium. So mycelium. So the keyword is mycelium. So mycelium. Another one is that they lack photosynthetic pigments. So when we talk about photosynthetic pigments, we mean chlorophyll. So they lack photosynthetic pigment. So it means they are heterotrophic. So they cannot make their own food. Another one is reproduction is asexual or sexual, resulting in the formation of the spores. So reproduction is asexual or sexual, resulting in the formation of spores. So those are the characteristics of the kingdom fungi. Yes, let us now move to the economic importance. We move to the economic importance of kingdom fungi. Yes, we want to start with harmful. Those fungi which are harmful. So number one is as parasites. Most of these members, they are parasites. So some parasitic fungi causes diseases in plants and animals. So wheat and maize rust are caused by Buccinia species. We are having member of the fungi known as Buccinia. Buccinia as species. So these Buccinia species can cause wheat and maize rust, and they lead to serious crop damage and low yields. Another disease is a thrush. A thrush is a fungal disease. So another one is thrush. So another disease caused by this one are thrush. So thrush is a fungal disease that affects humans and is caused by the fungus candidiasis. So it is caused by this thrush is caused by candidiasis. So candidiasis. So it is caused by candidiasis. Thrush is caused by fungus known as candidiasis. Candidiasis is a fungus. Some cause of skin diseases such as ringworms and athlete's foot. So ringworms and athlete's foot is caused by members of the kingdom, fungi. And then some are saprophytes, saprophytic moles. Saprophytic moles such as mucus species and rhizopia species bring about rapid decay of food. So for this one we are having rapid decay of food, rapid decay of food. So because they are saprophytes, so they bring about rapid decay of food. So for the stored grains, they are frequently attacked by moles such as Penicillium and Aspergillus. So Penicillium and Aspergillus will destroy the stored grains. Yes, another harmful is poisonous fungi. Some fungi are poisonous. For example, Aspergillus flavus invades stored grains and produce the deadly aflatoxin chemicals. Yes, and then we are having another example is mushroom belonging to genus Amanita. Genus Amanita. So mushroom belonging to genus Amanitas are very poisonous, so they can even cause diseases. Thank you so much, class. So next lesson we shall talk about useful fungi. You can join my YouTube channel. As you continue learning, you can subscribe, you can follow, and you can likes. Welcome so much. This is always the place to be. This is always the place to relax as you learn, as you improve in your learning. Welcome.